Hello everyone, here is Hemant. Today's our topic is scientific names of plants. What is the scientific name? How it is useful to our life? Scientific names are used to describe the various species of an organisms that are universal. So the scientist can readily identify the same plant or animal. Suppose for example, for the same word we have different languages in our country and India, and for the same word, suppose water, in English water, in Telugu neeru, in English in English water, and in Hindi pani, and in Tamil tanniru, like that, and examples. But in order to understand the worldwide of a plant, the scientific names are used to describe. So the scientific due to the scientific name, the worldwide any scientist can identify the same plant or animal. So here we see the scientific names of a plants that we see in our inter first year botany, and the scientific name, it is a common name and it is a scientific name. The green words are scientific names and red words are the common name that we use. And next, I will explain one by one and pronounce. And first one is ginger. Ginger is nothing but in Telugu allam. The scientific name of the ginger is Gingiber officinale. Ginger. The scientific name of ginger is Gingiber officinale. Next, turmeric. Turmeric is we call it in Telugu called pasupu. The scientific name of turmeric is Curcuma longa. The scientific name of the turmeric is Curcuma longa. And the next, bean. Bean, the scientific name of the bean is Dolichos lablab. The scientific name of bean is Dolichos lablab. Again, I will say that the scientific name of bean is Dolichos lablab. At the first, they were difficult. By using these words one by one and using more, it is very simple to us. So, and the next, pie. Pie is nothing but batani in Telugu. And next, and pie is Pisum sativum. What we call that pie is Pisum sativum. And the next, onion. Onion in Telugu we call that ullipai. And next, onion is Allium cepa, means Allium cepa. The scientific name of onion is Allium cepa. And next, garlic, that we call that is chinulpai, and the scientific name of garlic is Allium sativum. And again, I will repeat that the scientific name of garlic is Allium sativum. And the next, coriander. Coriander is nothing but, and its scientific name is Coriandrum sativum. The scientific name of coriander is Coriandrum sativum. And the next, menthi seeds, that we call in Telugu called menthulu. The scientific name of these menthi seeds or menthulu is Trigonella fuyanum greecum. Again, I will repeat that the scientific name of menthulu is Trigonella fuyanum greecum. Menthi seeds. The scientific name of menthi seeds is Trigonella fuyanum greecum. And the next, we see more rarely in our gardens, chrysanthemum. In English we call that chrysanthemum. In the scientific name also we call same chrysanthemum. In Telugu this chrysanthemum called chamanti. And the next, we enter into this, the cabbage. Cabbage, the scientific name of the cabbage is Brassica oleracea variety capitata. Again, I will repeat that the scientific name of cabbage is Brassica oleracea variety capitata. Again, I will repeat that the scientific name of cabbage is Brassica oleracea variety capitata. And the next, cauliflower. The scientific name of cauliflower is Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of cauliflower is Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Next, sugarcane. Sugarcane. The scientific name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum. And the next, paper flowers. We commonly see that the flowers were very thin, and the paper flowers in English we call bougainvillea. And the common name of the bougainvillea is paper flowers plant, and the scientific name for these paper flowers plant is Bougainvillea glabra. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of paper flowers is Bougainvillea glabra. And the next, the common name of cucumber is cucumber. And the next, the scientific name of cucumber is Cucumis sativus. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of cucumber is Cucumis sativus. And the scientific name of sunflower is Helianthus. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of sunflower is Helianthus. Next, pumpkin. The scientific name of pumpkin is Cucurbita. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of pumpkin is Cucurbita. The next, mustard. In Telugu we called avalu. The scientific name of mustard is Brassica. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of mustard is Brassica. The next, tobacco. The scientific name of tobacco is Nicotina tabacum. The scientific name of tobacco is Nicotina tabacum. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of tobacco is Nicotina tabacum. And the next, watermelon. The scientific name of watermelon is Citrilla vulgaris. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of watermelon is Citrilla vulgaris. And the next, drumstick. In drumstick is a common, in Telugu we call as mulakkai. And the next, scientific name of drumstick is moringa. The scientific name of drumstick is moringa. And the last but not the least, lady's finger. The scientific name of lady's finger is Ebelmuscus esculentum. Again, I will repeat that. The scientific name of lady's finger is Ebelmuscus esculentum. Once fastly we recall that the only scientific names: Gingiber officinale, Curcuma longa, Dolichus lablab, Pisum sativum, Oleum cepa, Oleum sativum, Coriandrum sativum, Trigonella fuenum graecum, Chrysanthemum. Next, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, Brassica oleracea variety botrytis, Saccharum officinarum, Bougainvillea glabra, Cucumis sativus, Helianthus, Cucurbita, Brassica, Nicotina tabacum, Citrilla vulgaris, moringa, Ebelmuscus esculentum. Thank you.